Hi there everyone, it is currently the 16th of November 2012. Happy Friday out there to everybody. If you are watching this and you have taken some photos or videos this week, as always, please do share them with us. If you are on Facebook, please share them with us on our Facebook page, or you can post them down into the comment box below in a video response to this video. So just something to start off with some good news, but let's get in to the rough weather that is currently occurring across the Philippines. If you watched our text update, or if you read our text update, excuse me, last night, you would have read on this area and also this area down towards the south across the Philippines. We have some moisture inflow and basically kind of a weak low pressure area here, and this is just enhanced by that northeast monsoon, bringing an abundant amount of rainfall. Take a look at some of these totals over the past 24 hours. With some of these totals adding up over the 100 mark as far as millimeters, or over 1 centimeter, excuse me, into the past 24 hours. This is in a party 103 millimeters down towards the south here along the east coast of Luzon up to 87, and then even into Visayas. Take a look at this, up to 102 millimeters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. Flooding and landslides obviously are high at risk across this area due to these continued moisture inflow coming onshore, but at least at this time does not look like organized systems will be affecting the region, but it's mainly that threat of heavy rain. And even over towards Vietnam, we're still talking about the remnants of our tropical depression. You can see just outside of Da Nang, up to 110 millimeters. So those are just some of the reports being shown here over the past 24 hours. Also, I know some of you have also been writing me saying, yes, we've been seeing this heavy rain locally, and it's really coming down quite hard, and even some low-lying flash flooding. But I do think that problem will start to slowly improve going through your Friday and then into Saturday. We have that northeast monsoon starting to taper off just a little bit because most of the moisture is going to start to lift to this frontal boundary off there towards the north and northern Luzon. And likely the winds are going to start to pick up going into Sunday, though. Maybe some more rain showers. But as far as that low pressure area across Mindanao and Visayas, that should start to weaken off as well before moving off towards the west. At least as far as model outlooks, my personal thoughts, I don't think that the conditions are quite favorable there for further tropical development from this storm system down there towards the south. If we take a look actually at the tropical here, the wind shear analysis, you can see that there is a fine line of low vertical wind shear and over Mindanao, where the storm system is, upwards of about 10 to 15 knots. So that's really at the threshold of what you need for decent tropical development. As you continue to scroll down, vorticity is very low in the region. That's not helping out either. The only real thing is the sea surface temperatures here being shown from the map from Weather Underground, upwards of about 30 degrees Celsius. So that is the one thing that does show the system does have a chance for development, but at least at this time, models are not showing anything significant. And not to mention the fact that the storm system is lacking Coriolis force, which is really lacking south of 10 degrees north. This one is way down there towards the south, so I don't really expect anything too significant out of it. Also, take a look over into the Bay of Bengal, since we have the model outlook up here. There is a weak disturbance we've been watching, possible for development. I do think that around Bangladesh and East India, you're going to be seeing the effects of this as far as rainfall. Flooding is very likely there in Bangladesh. It's such a low-lying country. Every time a storm system comes ashore, you always hear about people being displaced. Do think that that is going to be a threat here going through the weekend and in the early part of next week. Meanwhile, take a look over towards Japan and China, since this is actually the storm system that is the most potent out here in East Asia at the time. Coming out of China here, expected to move off over towards Japan on Saturday going to Sunday. Take a look at that. Big mass of rainfall, including Tokyo. It's going to be a blustery one, some gusty winds. I do think that some low-lying flooding, it could be possible, just pooling up of water, but nothing too significant, nothing that we would see elsewhere. Tokyo's infrastructure is absolutely amazing from what I've seen. But if you have any plans on traveling around, unfortunately, that is going to be a rough one out here as that storm system continues to move up. And then behind it, high pressure is building in, and things are going to be getting colder yet again. Overnight lows. Whew, jeez. Actually, in Ulaanbaatar, the low for you will be getting down near minus 20 Celsius. I actually grew up in Buffalo, New York, where the overnight lows do get that quite low often. But that is one reason why I kind of moved away, because Too cold. Anyhow, that is all for right now, everybody. Thanks again for watching here at Western Pacific Weather. One other thing, I want to show you this photo coming from the Sky Tree here in Tokyo. If you're in the Tokyo area, go check this out. It's pretty cool. Every night, all the way up until December 25th on Christmas, they're going to be changing the color of the Sky Tree. This is from Thursday to November 15th. It was green, the resemble Christmas tree. I believe on Friday it's going to be purple. Really starts to get exciting leading up to December 25th, so something to go and check out. But if you have any comments or suggestions, as always, please post them in the comment box below, and stay safe out there, everybody. Have a great day.